Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Turbo Tom from Turbo Tom's Films Garage, and welcome back to the channel. And wow, crazy year, huh? 2020 was a crazy time, and 2021 is getting a little bit better. So we're in March right now, and none of that matters. Race season is going to come upon us, especially in New England. Right now we're in the middle of March, and April's when they start opening up the tracks, and I need to get this Barrel going. But as you see from the previous footage, and yes, the motor got hurt. So still number 3. It lost like 18 pounds of compression. And it's got a little bit in play on the crank, and I'm not gonna risk it. So the game plan is to put another engine. I'm gonna put another transmission in it. This time I'm gonna put a 2G trans with a stall speed converter, because last season was a bust. Let me tell you, pretty disappointed about that. 2.4 64 is no bueno. So definitely getting a stall speed converter. I mean, I could try it again with nitrous with a stock converter, but that's something I'm gonna take a chance in. And not only that, I'm not gonna do it on this motor. You know what I mean? So yeah, basically that's what's going on right now. I'm gonna try to put no motor in it, and I'm gonna be switching to E85 this time. So this year I'm gonna be switching to E85, no more C16. I already bought all the fuel upgrades I need to on this car, and basically this year I'm just looking out to break out of my curse. You know what I mean? And it's just like it's been eating me all winter long, and I'm so close to making good passes, and it's just not working out for me. So I gotta start doing some upgrades here with this car. So yeah, basically that's where I'm at with this car. I'm also working on the Mirage, the V6 Mirage. That project is coming along very slowly because it's just a unique and weird project to do. So in the meantime, I'm kind of ordering parts for this while I'm waiting for parts to start working on this. I'm working on the Mirage. So yeah, basically that's what I've been up to lately. Just trying to get trying to work on the cars and stuff like that. January, February was just like literally a bust. A lot of things just went down. I just don't even want to talk about it. So, but yeah, that's where I'm at. Any other upgrades I want to do is basically hopefully I can get a PTE 6262 turbo, which this car desperately needs. You know what I mean? So that's gonna be another one of my big purchases I want to buy. So definitely a PTE 6262, and a few other things here and there, and just get it running. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna try to go IFO. I'm just not dedicated right now to just go IFO. I just literally just want to hit the track on a track night and just start making some good passes. Try to get the car consistent and just let it eat. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So stay tuned. I will be having some more videos coming up soon. A lot of different things. I have a buddy that also bought a 3000 GT, well actually a Dodge Stealth. So we're gonna be doing some videos about that car too as well, because that car is new to me. I'm not familiar with the Mitsubishi V6s, so we'll start playing around with that as well. And yeah, we'll start making some more videos for 2021. So like, subscribe, and stay tuned. With a lot more videos, a lot more racing this year is going to be happening. And take care, everybody. Peace.